Kramer is talking right now about something which is much bigger. Much bigger in the sense of this is not just moving to IP technology, enterprise management tools for or technologies for IT people. It's about work methodology. It's about how we present, how we serve our technology to the new owners of AV in organizations, which are the IT people. We are using a tool which we've developed constantly, which is called Kramer Network. Kramer Network is what we call our enterprise management software package. Within Kramer Network, one of the components that we have there is the AV signal management, switching, routing, and it's done virtually, of course, through software. But the one important thing you should know is that Kramer Network is a complete package, and within that package you can also have a kind of a hybrid solution where you have standard AV signal management and IP signal management, all managed from the same interface as if it was the same technology or the same solution. And that is great. It allows us a lot of scalability and flexibility. Okay, so on the AV signal management, what we have also, we have our new KDS-8, which is basically our zero latency streaming technology, which is done using SDV Alliance technology. Okay, and that's the first product that we show here, which is the fruit of that work with the Alliance. We just declared about us joining this morning. Alliance. We've won the Best of Show Awards for the VIA-Ware. The VIA-Ware, if we talk about the AV over IT, to take the software component of the VIA Campus, and which is the wireless collaboration and presentation product that we have, and offer it as a software in two models. This made the IT people who work with us very happy. If they want to have that on hardware, we can give them the hardware. If they want to have that as a software installed on their certified machines, we are fine with that. Okay, and we will see more and more solutions like that being offered. We have a new product which is called the VIA Connect Plus. It's not a revolution, but it's interesting because what we offer the first time wireless collaboration and presentation together with wired seamlessly. The market for us is a major market, and in some countries we sell more than 50% of our business to the education vertical. Is a service which enables us to record, archive, and of course stream that content live anywhere, okay, using any browser. So basically, and by the way, we are doing it right now. So this camera is broadcasting whatever it sees right now in real time to a browser or to any. I mean, you get a hyperlink and then you connect, and then if you want to see the recording, then we have an archiving system which enables you to go and use that content again and distribute it, or just pull it and use it on another system. So that's a new thing for us, and again it makes the education solutions that we offer more complete, and there is a demand for those. Right now we have a complete solution that we can offer inside of the meeting space and extend that learning experience outside of the meeting space. Okay, and again, using IP technology, internet, this is where we are going. Kramer is becoming more and more a software-driven company. Introduce the VS88UT. The VS88UT is the new all-in-one presentation system coming from Kramer. This let's call it a big machine, a very complex machine, is kind of our entry point to this type of application, or like, you know, product segment. Okay, maybe product segment is the better word. We have been in AV for many years. I don't need to tell you that, but I think with this machine, that's the first time we are actually tapping in to the big presentation system market. Okay, it has some unique features, great value for money, and it can do a lot. So again, that's new. It's pretty exciting from our perspective, and it's like part of a set of devices, a set of products that we're going to be releasing very soon. We are, as IT people, protect our organization from the outside. The problem becomes much worse when the threats come from inside. So, you have a guest coming to your company with his laptop infected with the malware he doesn't even know. He gets into your meeting room, plugs in the HDMI or a DisplayPort cable, and from that point, that malware would go from his computer to the connected presentation system, to the presentation system that they have in the organization. That presentation system, there is a chance it is installed on the corporate network, and from that point you have a system which is infected with a malware. So guess what? You do a crazy job protecting your organization, keeping everything in the DMZ perfect, but you got infected from the inside. Many IT people are not aware of these threats. They do not understand that thing could happen if they do not take several precautions. So what is the biggest precaution that people do? They invest a lot of money and separate the networks, right? So you have a network for AV and you have a network for IT. Why? You don't need to do that. You can protect your system by using very simple let's say isolator products which block all that malware from going from whatever device you're connecting to your own network. It's great for existing installations, and it's also great with new installation when you basically are not forced to install different networks for AV and IT. It just does not make sense. So Kramer has a product line, which is a product line which comes from a joint work that we do with the ISE labs. And there are various types of products and all sorts of tricks to protect USB ports and many other things. So this is one thing. This is secured AV. Okay, secured AV is an AV installation that is safe. Another section of that is our critical mission application. Okay, mission critical application, and then here we have shown various things along the years, and again they also should be safe, but this is a different type of application. Okay, control rooms, all sorts of NOC installations with a lot of AV. But again, this is all about secured AV. Okay, you can have secured AV there, which is very natural, because if you have like a federal installation or even a bank, for them it's totally clear it needs to be secured. But when you go to a corporate, starting to realize that thing is a very, very serious threat. And we are trying to kind of educate them to realize that it is a threat. Okay?